Hey, this is Dan with Icebreaker. Have you ever wanted to search through your network but found yourself constrained by LinkedIn? Even if you request your exported data, LinkedIn only provides a small subset. Now you can use Icebreaker to import your LinkedIn connections and see them deduplicated with the rest of your hypernetwork. On either mobile or desktop, start in your account page and tap the Network Import tab. Tap Import LinkedIn. This triggers a flow to log in using your LinkedIn credentials. Complete the flow. On the sign-in page, enter your LinkedIn credentials. These are stored locally and not sent to either Icebreaker or our sign-in provider. Now I've logged in to LinkedIn, and my connection data is going to be pulled down and downloaded so that it can then be displayed in Icebreaker. Once it's done, it will reload a page telling you that the import is complete. You can now revisit on Icebreaker, and I have 1,505 contacts imported. Now I can view them in my network tab, just like all my other connections. There they are.